Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's August 13th, 2025, and it's about 9:30. It's about 81 degrees. All animals are taken care of. Got food, water, and I got the sprinkler going again. Supposed to be another hot one. Sky is mainly blue. Some weird clouds right there. And the moon. So it looks like it's going to be a nice day. What are you doing there, dummy? They got this big pen to run around in, and they come in this small one. Doesn't make sense to me. This side of the grass is dying off.